Have you ever heard the strangest sound ever recorded underwater? Scientists captured it deep in the ocean. A massive sound, low, echoing across thousands of kilometers. Unlike anything they had heard before, they called it the bloop. At first, some researchers wondered if it came from an animal because whatever made the sound had to be enormous, much larger than a whale. For years, people believed something gigantic might still be hiding deep underwater.